again with another DIY. Also, disclaimer, don't come for me. I know my hair is frizzy. It is wash day. We get it. So I'm going to show you guys how to put like little strips of light on here to get your own DIY Hollywood mirror. I ordered these off of Amazon. I think they were like 17 bucks. I'll link it down below. Super affordable. They came like this, like that. But you can cut on this little strip here to pull them apart. So that's what I'm gonna do. You're gonna need these, of course, some scissors. You wanna make sure that you clean your mirror ahead of time of any like dirt or debris, because then it won't necessarily stick. So let's cut it up. Super bright. Now you have this long string of lights. Also comes with your wall adapter to plug it up, and then it comes with like the power port where you can like tap it to turn it on and off, and it also is dimmable, which is a amazing plus, right? So let's take this off, and I'll just show you guys how bright the lights are actually before we get into the DIY and put them on the mirror. So you want to take your dimmer, and this cord will connect to the string lights. This side will connect to the adapter. This is the adapter. Zing. What's going on with this lighting situation? Sorry if it's super bright. Try my best. And you want to put it in here like so, and twist. Then take your string lights, take this end, put it in here, and we're going to plug into the wall and see what happens. Yeah, it's plugged in. You want to hit your power button. Wow, she's bright. Get my unplug it because I don't need it plugged in right now. And they suggest that you map it out. However, I'm not as patient to do that. So, like you can, I guess, take like a dry erase marker that works great on mirrors, so you can easily wipe it off to map it out. But I'm not going to do that. So, let's see. Okay, so I was trying to map it out. These are very sensitive too, as far as the power button goes. I was trying to map about if I wanted to put it on the wall versus on the mirror, because like if I were to take selfies, like you'll see the lights on there, and I didn't want it to look that way. But I think the best bet is to put on the mirror, since these have such a strong cold adhesive. If I were to put it on the wall and take it off, it's going to pull up the paint, and it's just going to create a mess. So we're going to put it on the mirror. Now the way I like to map it out is I'll start at the bottom edge here, like so. And see where that stops. So I'm going to start with the edge for this side first, and then we'll talk once I get to the shop and the other side. as you can see, the side is on there. It was 2, 4, 6 lights for the left hand side, and then I'm gonna go around on top. You want to be careful and make sure that you keep the wire taut and not like loose, because it'll just look cleaner that way. Now let's get to the top, to the side, and when I'm finished, I'll come back. So there it is, fairly easy DIY. Ooh, it's on my hair. DIY mirror. Now this size for the lighting strip that I got was perfect. Let me grab my ruler to tell you the measurements so you guys know. And let's measure this. So it is, well, the actual glass mirror is 35.5 by 24. The actual mirror is 41 by 29.25. So, if you have a mirror that's larger than this, I suggest you may need to get 2 packs. If you have a mirror that's smaller than this, you might only need this one. Now the bulb lights that I have for my vanity mirror that you kind of see on the side here, I want to show you my desk because it's a little messy. See those little bulbs? The instructions said like if it was too long, you could cut off a bulb and it would not like interfere with the electrical cords or wiring, and you'll still be able to plug it in and it will work. I did not see anything in these instructions stating that let me just look it over briefly so I don't tell y'all the wrong information. It says, I suggest starting at the end of LED lights where the electric plugs in. That way if it's too long, you can snip off the extra. So you could do that if it is, if you're working with a smaller mirror, which is nice to know. I'll leave a link for these below. If you guys like this, then like this, and I'll see you next time. Deuces.